So for the continuation for our lesson 2, I will show you the Bronfenbrenner's bioecological model. So through this model, we can show the influences of child's human development. So in microsystem, again, the influence is by peers, parents, health providers, spiritual community, social media, mentors, and teachers. Bali direct to the child's human development. Kana sila ang nasa micro system itself. And the mesosystem, sa mesosystem is wala siya gibutang since the mesosystem is influenced between the two or more of the microsystem. So it can be the mesosystem is influenced by peers and teachers, parents and teachers, or any two of this or two or more of this microsystem. So that is the mesosystem. And exosystem, the influence is through extended family and effective kin, juvenile justice system, school system, physical and mental health systems, mass media, foster care system, neighbors, and parents' workplace. Bali mo na siya ang katong out of our control na influences because it influenced by the different aspect in our community or different interaction with other people. And then next we have the macro system. So it is influenced by the cultural strength, public policy, colorism, and systematic racism. So meaning, pag macro system, it is based on the public and the society in our community. And then the chrono system itself, historical and intergenerational trauma. So, to siya guys. Sorry for the wrong kan. Basta mo to siya. For chrono system, is historical and intergenerational trauma and Black Lives Matter movement. So, it can be explained more because I have another topic for this Brenner's bioecological theory, which will be discussed about the um, it's just a 4 slide, but this topic is all about the analysis of factors affecting child and adolescent's development using the Bronfenbrenner's bioecological theory. So kato siya. So natay mga factors that can be child or adolescents using this theory. So for our microsystem factors, we have the family dynamics, like the parenting styles, attachment, security, and family communication influence emotional and social development. So, pinaagi sa family dynamics, there's a lot of factors na to pang i-consider. Kay, from the word microsystem, di ba when we say microsystem, is mo siya ang immediate interaction with our family and friends. So, on how they handle their child or on how they handle their child and the person itself na under sa ila is somehow ma-influence gid siya unsaon nila pagdala. Like kung sa kuan pa, kung unsa environment nila sa house, madala pod nila sa gawas. And then peer relationships, friendships, and peer interaction can affect self-esteem, social skills, and identity formation. Kaning peer relationship is more on friendship, like mga friends nimo during your school days. Like ng mga close friend nimo, like madamay ka na yung iyahang attitude, madamay ka na yung iyang binuhatan, and then somehow na uban friends na sila pa ang mo-motivate, sila pa ang kanang imbis ang iyahang friend is kanang maulawon, pero tungod kay naka-friend siya og banhaan, there's a possibility na kato siya na maulawon is mo improve yung self na mas mo confident siya na di siya maulawon, like mabago yahang attitude nga na siya ang microsystem, like direct sa yahang friend. And then environment, teacher support, climate, and academic challenges directly impact cognitive and social growth. So kana pa lang daghan jud kailangan i-consider labi na sa microsystem na factors. Kay again, si microsystem is the immediate interaction between your family, friends, other peers na atong ma-encounter. Grabe daghan gid siya kay from the word environment pa lang si teacher support in terms of education. Si teacher na ang naga tudlo tabi na sa education jud and different learnings kay kung sa house is more on respect, si teacher naman is more on the school education na factors. So like nakabutang impact cognitive and social growth because through classroom climate is naman ito ma-encounter na different type of personalities because in our classroom there are diverse students. So kana siya ang sa microsystem na factors. Maglihok ako. Next we have the exosystem influences. Ano ba siya? Dito ta sa wala si meso. Kulangan siya. Exosystem influences. We have the again si mesosystem. What na siya diri as since again si mesosystem is between two or more interactions sa microsystem. So it can be na mag-uban ni ang family dynamics, environment, and so on and so forth. Ana. Next, we have the exosystem influence. So parental employment, so like job stability, work hours, and job satisfaction can indirectly affect child's emotions, security, and access to resources. Isa man ni sa exosystem influences of parental employment because there are parents na wala na kay sila time sa ilahang children or silang anak. So it can be na kanagining kung sakuan pamura ginig kanang silusa na ang trabaho kay ilahang parents naka-focus na sa work, wala na sila like mauli ilang mukaon, matog, na pagkaugma na pod, wala na pod like kadaging uban bata na pagmata nila imbis gusto pa silang na time silang parents pero kay murag workaholic makay ng parents ani so meaning mura na sila og kanang wala sa tagani murag na nga sila time in order for them na mura pong ma-fulfill na po siya ay family na siya tungod magid ana kay lagi nowadays labi nang magkadako na ang family need na gina siya og more income pero as a parent goro na kanang dili mag-rebel din yung anak is kailangan yung tagan og time kay diri mo gid sa exosystem ang satisfaction sa parents is more on job na naagi maepektuhan ang bata. And the neighborhood qualities, safety, recreational opportunities, and community resources impact children's social interactions and opportunities for playing and learning. So, through recreational opportunities is daghan po'y makuha na social interactions ang bata. Kaya diha pa lang is maka-encounter sila og different lagi again and again different type of personalities maka-encounter sila og mga kanang mga bata po nakaedad nila and then they can do playing the thing inana kung labi na sa playground nya yung labi na kanang subdivision na dagay bata diha pa lang maka imbis di ka lagyan pero kay gusto ka mo explore but nice yan na influence na maka-encounter ka og mga bata. Next, we have the macrosystem context. So, cultural values, societal beliefs about education, gender rules, and family structures shape developmental expectation and experiences. So, diri sa macrosystem context, kani societal beliefs about education. So, kani pa lang about the education. So, as kanagining bata pa talabi nang mag-schooling na ta is ang goal jud dapat nato is makahuman og school inana siya and then gender rules kung unsa ka kung laki ka dapat ani ka bai ka nani ka ana siya bali na siya murag ginasunod na rules in our society inana siya and then in terms of that is na po na siya na gina-expect na dapat ma-follow na nimo na rules na culture ninyo bali. And then economic conditions, poverty and wealth influences access to education, healthcare, and extracurricular activities significantly affecting development. Anong naman economic conditions? Kaya naiuban na kanagining kabantay mo na kana mga persons na needs jud ang mga essentials na maglisod sila og kuha na is na ay na-adjust mo rag advantage na maka-access sila o mga free. And then in terms of wealth influences kanagining ay di man sa ingon na kanagining feeling na mas ma-priority sila ina na ba na imbis sila ang kuan ma-priority sila and napoy mga tao na kuan sa poverty na sila pod ang matabangan sa mga dato. Di lang siya ingon na kanang mapabayaan sila. Naagit sila pwede pa maduulan. Pero in terms na is naging na siya condition, dapat pa ang uban trabahuan, deserve makuha na ilahang mga needs. Next, we have the mesosystem. Nara si mesosystem interaction. So, home, school, a connection. So, involvement of parents in school activities can enhance academic performance and foster positive attitudes towards education. So, mauto siya. Again, si mesosystem is it can be between two or more influences of microsystem. So, diri as sa example is a home school connection. So, meaning, ang parents in school activities, kanagining sa tagay involvement of parents in school activities can enhance academic performance and foster positive attitudes towards education. Like, kung sa kuan pa, imuhang parents murag active, makik ka ganing feeling na i-follow up ka, inana siya na unsa kay standing sa ako anak sa school. So meaning kanang makig storya imong parents sa teacher, like unsa standing nimo sa school, unsa pay pwede nimo buhaton para ma-enhance kanina way, and then i-follow up po sa imong parents kung unsa imong attitude on how you socialize with your classmate. Balikan na pa lang is na sila influences sa inyo kay ang parents is not always in our school. So, teacher gay pwede mapangutan-an if na mo sa school. Like, through that is aware ang parents kung unsa ka sa school. And community engagement, relationships between family and community organizations can provide resources and support. So, influencing overall well-being. So, kana palang community engagement. Lahi ra gid impact if labi na og makig-socialize ka in the community organization because there are different type of support na imong madawat. And then next, we have the chronosystem changes, life transition. Events like divorce, relocation, or the birth of a sibling can create stress or resilience, affecting a child's adaptability and emotional health. So, diri sa chronosystem changes, is mo ba ni siya tong changes over time. Kay, yun yung say changes over time, kanang wa ni mo gi-expect na mahitabo in life and then naa siyang impact sa imo. Like, for example, like divorce sa parents. Na ay possibility na inyohang anak is like, more sila mag-rebel, di labi na og they know the reason why niabot mo na situation. And then, relocation, wala mo nag-expect na kinagini mabaguhan mo sa place. So, inyo ha po mag-adjust na pud mo na siya. And then, a birth of a sibling, kani siya, a birth of a sibling, kanagin spoiled ka ilang anak ka siya ra isa, and then, by the time goes by, is, nanapod siya another sibling, kanang anak, iyang parents, inana siya, bali nagamanghod siya, so, naay chances na, imbis ang attention sa iyang parents, is naara sa iya, pag abot sa baby, is nawala na ang attention sa iyang parents. Kundi inana dito as a baby ang attention. And then night time na mura nagmapasagdan ang bata. Pag inigingon da as a parent, dapat equal ang imuhang pag-treat sa imuhang anak. Pero in terms mo gidog infant pa o baby, it needs more time to support that infant kay. Grabe pa baya ka dependent ang mga infant na baby. Nana siya. Historical events like economic recessions or natural disasters can disrupt stability and impact mental health. Ay, mura dito siya. Impact mental health. Wala na siya. Impact mental health, kilagi. You see, these historical events is naman yung mga chances na kanaging wag na to expect na mabutaan na time. Like, for example, na okay pa kaya ang inyong economy and there's a problem na may encounter sa society. So, na siya impact, dili lang sa katao, kundi sa halos sa community. So, ana siya. So, any question and clarification based on this topic is you can ask in our group chat and chat it. So, that's all for this topic. So, let's work together and thank you everyone. God bless us all.